Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Larry here. Just wanted to do a quick video. I'm going to be joining in on the F1 group build. Sorry, stepped away from the phone for a second. Anyway, I'll be joining in on the F1 group build. And this build is hosted, this will be the second year. And it's hosted by Kyle over at RKD Scaleworks and by Tim over at Box Stock Garage. Both of these guys are super cool, great builders, and they make this group build very easy to get into. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a reef builder, as you can see here. It's been built, painted, and everything. This is a vintage kit. I forget what brand it is. Yeah, it's a vintage kit at any rate. And as you can see, there are parts that are falling off of it. The front end is a little broken, so that has to be repaired. So my plan is to take it apart, strip the paint and everything down, repaint it, reapply new decals to it, and do it the way the original builder did it. And since I'm stripping it, I had to find new decals for it. And IndyCals actually had the decals for it, so I went ahead and ordered it. And they make some nice decals. Now, the only thing with their decals is it's like a full sheet. Everything is printed on one sheet. They're not individual. So the individual decals, you have to cut them out. I have pictures of this build, of other people's builds, as well as the original, the actual car. So I'll be able to follow and do the decals. I'll lay the decals out properly. I did this group build last year. I picked up a Tamiya kit from Kyle, and this is actually an Indy car. This isn't a Formula One car, but it is an open wheel car. I talked to both Kyle and Tim, and they said yes, that I could go ahead and use this. I could utilize this rebuilder. So, like I said, I'll strip it down, repaint everything, reapply the decals, and we'll rebuild this guy. And it's a long build, so I might be able to actually, well, I don't know if I can find another kit. If I can find a kit, I might do another build for this group build. But that's what I'm going to be doing for this one. Just want to thank everybody for joining in, checking it out. Hope you guys are doing well today. It's getting cold again here in South Dakota. We're in the low 20s. Yesterday we were in the 60s. And I see that Joe over in Montana, he's in the he had -4 degrees. So that could be what we're going to be looking at shortly. So anyway, thanks for joining in. Thanks for checking it out. Thank you for everybody who subscribes and watches my videos. Appreciate it greatly. Just a small channel sharing my stuff. Anyway, everybody have a great day, great week. The weekend's coming up pretty soon. Today's Thursday. And yeah, take care of your families and be kind. I'll talk to you guys later in this video. Thank you very much. Bye.